TV.
We're gonna be reviewing the Fidget tube.
Yeah.
We have 3 of them. Both of these ones are open. So let's open this one.
And I hope you smash that like button. Give us for right now 10 likes. Please make sure to push smash that like button. Send me all notifications.
Okay. So right here. So this is for work, class, and home. So it has 6 stuff you could do. The first one is spin, I think. No, it's actually glide, as you can see. And you can click on it, but it makes no noise. The next one is click. Like,
You have to just click it.
all 3 of these make noise. These 2 are like, no. This is weird. Wait, this one, all 3 of these make noise. These side ones, like, don't. Or these 2 on the top, actually. These 2 on the top don't make noise, and these line ones don't. So this one, so now the next one is, sorry, I have to look at the box. Roll. It doesn't click. And then look. And then you could just like do this. So,
You know,
this one is really weird. It's breathe. It's actually comfortable, basically. See, that looks kind of like that. And then basically you rest your thumb on it, and then you basically breathe, and then it's like comfortable. I can't read any of this. If you guys do, try translate it in the comments, and then I can read it. Because we ordered this from China. So we did click. Have I showed you spin? So basically, spin is like this one where you spin it. It's hardly to move. It doesn't really move. Unless you do it this way. It's like a spinner. And we have the click. It's really loud. We haven't showed you the flip. It's like one of those flips, or like the the buttons that you see on the walls. And yeah, have I showed you all? I've showed you all. So this is the review of the Fidget tube. So, bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Bye.
please give us 100 likes.